Class 10 te maths se chapter number 1 discussion tene chapter mi yang ata real numbers tene real numbers basic ata numbers is college silen gomang ata natural numbers tene natural numbers ka 1 ne phala shuru che tulangati natural numbers zen tene whole numbers ka ata 0 ne phala shuru chen tulangati whole numbers zen tene integers te number wazen kana negative ang yon kana positive ang yon tulangati integers zen kaltes ka to negative होता negative integers यहाँ positive होता positive integers यानी even numbers हम पता नो का 2 ने आपको divide 6 या 2 ने आपको multiple of 2 या divisible by 2 लगाती even numbers हैं जैसे कि 2 4 6 8 10 12 it's hamangati even numbers and then odd numbers all natural numbers which are not divisible by 2 2 na po divide micha tulangati odd numbers jen jaise ki ngata 1 3 5 7 is how much odd numbers then a prime numbers the number was then ka khorang na po ya 1 na po divide chen baki yang numbers na po divide micha tulangati zen prime numbers for example ngati except 1 x1 ngata prime number la thamano then 3 2 5 tesine 7 tesine 11 then 13 then ngata 17 then 19 then 23 it's how mangati chizen prime numbers en kao khorana po divide chen ya 1 na po divide chen yang baki number na po divide mi chahe jaise 3 divided by 3 1 या 3 divided by 1 is equal to 3 बाकी या number जिन्ना po 3 divide chamano ते number गुलना ngati zen prime numbers kene ngata first chapter na first topic po ngati zena Euclid's division lemma tai na tos ngata Euclid's division ta pata no divide division ngal asil to kia multiply chooses divide chooses Euclid's division lemma jana chiz an tos na lemma matlab lemma matlab lemma ngata mathematical statement jik mathematical mathematical statement yang ati ulazen proven statement proven statement lemma jana mathematical statement ya proven statement jik ngalla yutya kau true statement in this statement bong ati question solve chochesina ngata use chunganen for example ngata Euclid's division lemma sangala ngati ngi statement jizerna 2 times 4 is equal to 8 ये चलो 2 times 4 is equal to 8 मतलब 2 times 4 is equal to 8 इस statement को ngata chino true no ngata sama pata no ki 2 into 4 chona sam chano sana the result ko ngata chino sana 8 yu ngata statement jino mathematical statement jino ka true statement jino tenna chosla Euclid's division lemme statement jik tasno nazartano given positive integers a comma b mata a comma b positive integers jik do positive integers मतलब पता नो एक नेगेटिव नंबर्स होचस मानो सिर्फ मतलब पॉजिटिव इंटीजर्स होचनो a comma b there exists a unique integer q and r there exists a unique integer q and r in a q na r chigondo satisfying a is equal to bq plus r in which r is lies between 0 and b tastos gomangata you statement bongata Euclid's division lemma oha gusangalla ati example jik chona for example yesen a comma b is given positive integers a comma b mira tangata tos ngati nge example jik nen tain 10 comma 3 nen ngezen a 10 zen b nge 3 zen tangati divide choose an ngata chama pata no ngata kazu divide choose pin ngala 10 divided by 3 chona ngata chos 3 3 za samsung 3 3 za 9 10 eka 1 os tainaltos nikaltos ngata yu la ngata jese ngati song 3 3 na divide choose pa 3 3 za 9 eka ngata remainder 1 os tangata tos chichi du kina ngata remainder tu ikane chichi du i du ngata tene ngata eka 3 jitu tangata yu tangata pata no yu la ngati chizen remainder Yuchin ongata quotient yulangati zen dividend yuchin ongata divisor. Taltos. Given positive integers a and b, there exists a unique integer q and r satisfying a is equal to bq plus r. Tanga taltos. Ina chang manok ilkiningi zen ika ngataltos. Tanga ta r remainder bolangi r zen quotient bolangi q zen dividend bolangi a zen yang divisor bolangi b zen. Tainaltos ngata e statement bo how goches if ngata e example bo important enough e example through ngata e statement bo how goches enough. Tartos ngata a is equal to bq plus r. Then a is equal to bq plus r. Euclid's division lemma na ngata e statement bata sano e equation e statement bo zertano a is equal to bq plus r. Tangata e nangati you divide choose ngati a na b ngati example nentano 10,3 nangati divide choose pachamos 3 3 is 9 remainder 1 then divisor bo ngata 3 no dividend bo kaw langati ka number bola ngati divide choices in tela dividends and then ngati Samshina po divide join ngati tiola ngati quotients and then ngata remainder samos tula rzen. Ta a ngata given ino ngata a 10 ino is equal to p value chinos ngata b chino ngata divisor ngata chino 3 ngata you given ino ab given into q samos ngata quotient bo ngata 3 ons plus remainder ngata samos 1 bas. Ta ngata iftos 3 3 is 9 plus 1 which is equal to 10. Yung ngata statement bo ngata chi song true statement song. Ka statement le mi chi zapen Euclid's division lemma. Testing ngata ngata ta equals 0 is less than equal to r which is less than b. Ta ngata b value chin pin ngata 3. Taltos is 0 less than equal to r which is less than b is 3. The remainder value chi chi yong bosika chi chi yong nang yan ngata 10 ngata 0 ayong shiches no chezena r is less than or equal to dang sito ika 0 is less than or equal to ya 0 sang ma chhe ayong shiches no r value ya equal to ayong shiches no 0 mala 0 no danda 0 1 ayong shiches no ya 2 ayong shiches no tai nakten ngata chios ngati example pe ngata remainder 1 yos 1 ngata ika remainder yos kau ina you satisfied something of this satisfy tene ngati yang example jigneden for example yang is na 14,3 14,4 ngata 14 divided by 4 4 3 is 12 remainder 2 tangata patano ina yulangati chiz yungata chino yungata b given ino yuku dividend bongata a no given ino ya yungata quotient q ino ya yungata remainder r ino tain altos ngata a is equal to bq plus r a is equal to bq plus r tangata a chin pin ngata a yungata given enough yang ngata b given enough a 14 is equal to b ngata chino 4 into q is 3 into remainder 2 4 3 is 12 eka plus sorry plus 2 is equal to 14 tato sinangata remainder value chi yong shiches do inangata 0 is less than equal to r which is less than b malab less than 4 inangata chi chi yong shiches do ngata remainder value 0 ayong no 1 ayong no 2 ayong no yang 3 ayong no marangati example bena chi yong 2 mata yong steno remainder yang ati example chi stana example numbering is positive integers numbering is nan no just in na 29,7 nentan. Yang ate 29 divided by 7 chona. 7 3s are 21, 7 4s are 28. 1 ngata ikayos remainder. Then ngati you chano yung ngata divisor in pin kala B you dividend A given yung ngata 4 quotient yung ngata R remainder. Then ngati Euclid's division lemme ngata statement jik tang se utpin ka statement bo A is equal to BQ plus R. A ngata given eno A ngata ka given cham tang se do yang B ngata cham tang se do A 29 is equal to 7 times 4 plus remainder ngata 1. 7 times 4 zena 7 4 are 28 plus 1 is equal to 29. Remainder value chichi yung ano ngata 0 is less than equal to R which is less than B ngata 7. Ngata 0 yung chichi zeno 1 yung ano 2 yung ano 3 4 5 6 6 ngata remainder value ina yung chichi zeno. Mar ngati example na chios ngata remainder value remainder ngata 1 yung remainder is equal to 1 ngata e example bina yung seno. Then ngati next show that every positive even integer is of the form 2q and that every positive odd integer is of the form 2q plus 1 where q is some integer. Tangata e question altos positive positive even integers even integers malab even ninga tingal azartno even malab cow 2 na po multiply ched yak 2 na po divide ched 2 4 6 even positive integers is of the form chi form ka do 2q form even odd pochi do ngata and that every positive odd integers is of form 2q plus 1 where q is some integer. Ngata any positive integers that to say let a be any positive integers ngata 2q na 2q plus 1 do da 2q ngata yula plus 0 is not no 2q plus 0 ya 2q plus 1 iska chok sonte no ngati kon din 2q plus 0 ka ngata even jarte no positive every positive even integers and every positive odd integers even integers and odd integers chilo 2q plus 1 no ngati a ngata pata no by Euclid's division lemme ngata ngala silta no Euclid's division lemme ngata chiot a is equal to bq plus r yung ngata Euclid's division lemme no a is equal to bq plus r. Tangati question na tos ata stan question no ki every positive even integers pong ata ka form na yung gosen 2q form na yung gosen yang odd positive odd integers pong ata ka form na yung gosen 2q plus 1 form na yung gosen where q is some integers q yang integers in kya khala tangata tos let ngati assume chun let a be any positive integer gone distan gildemo juste let a be any positive integer let a be any positive integer ngata Euclid's division lemme ngata pata no a is equal to bq plus r in which r is greater than or equal to 0 which is less than b. Let a be any positive integer and b is equal to inangata chamdungata 2q tangsimira a is equal to 2q zertano a is equal to 2q मतलब bq b is equal to ngata ina 2 value yotno ngalla tastos ngata a is equal to 2q plus r tanga tastos r value ngata chamne cham chpoyong gosen ngata ngala patanok 0 is less than equal to r which is less than b tanga tastos b chitu ngata 2 do 0 is less than equal to r which is less than 2 are value chi chi yong yanen ina ngata 0 yong shichesino 1 yong shicheno bas inna ngis mane yong ina miano 0 na 1 mane chesena tuisa are value chun ina ngata consider chogoshisu tatus ngata r is less than or equal 0 is less than equal to r which is less than 2 tangata tos r a value 0 put chona a is equal to chios ngata 2q yos 2q मतलब काउ 2 ना पो मल्टीपल छेन तो ना आती इवन इंटीजर्स एंड इवन मतलब या मल्टीपल ऑफ 2 या इसका चोक सुनो या मल्टीपल ऑफ 2 आंसर ना या डिविजिबल बाय 2 divisible by 2 a is equal to chiching ada yos a is equal to 2q yos kaulangat zen a is equal to 2 times q then yang ata second chichi yon remainder chonduk r is equal to 1 ata second yang statement chichi po chons or a is equal to 2q plus yung ata 2q plus 0 hosta no 2q plus 0 malap 2q plus and the next 2q plus 1 is equal to 2 times q 2 times q plus 1 मतलब चीज होगा था यू होगा था पॉजिटिव odd integers होता है यू होगा था चीज हो होगा था positive odd integers होता है then इतना सोचना आती next question आती then show that any positive odd integers is of the form 4q plus 1 or 4q plus 3 where q is some integer then इतना सोचला ngati I question ang tanat sok sunok same जैसे ngati close ngati let a be any positive let a be any positive integer and b be another positive integer b be another positive integer by Euclid's division lemma given a statement ta situnga ta dasa siltano a is equal to bq plus r in which r 0 is less than equal to r which is less than b tanga tastos ngata a is equal to ngata chido a is equal to tanga ta show that any positive odd integers is of the form 4q plus 1 or 4q plus 3 tanga ta in astos guma tanga ta main then ina ngata chi tanga 4q a ngata direct 4q plus 1 tanga yang 4q plus 3 tanga ngata b ina ngata b value chi do एक second ngata ina b value chi to ngata b is equal to ngata ina 4 ngata thondu then ngata then remainder value ko xiong was less than equal to r is less than equal to b and 0 is less than equal to r which is less than 4 chesna ngata b is equal to ina 4 yotno ten tai na tos ngata remainder chi chi yong shit gos ngata 0 yong shit chesno 1 yong shit chesno 2 yong shit chesno yang ngata 3 yong shit chesno mar ngata 4 yong shit chesmano tos ngata ina ngata zu equation form ngata chi chi du ngata 4q plus 1 du ngata chese ngata a is equal to ngati first goma khurang ngati nenen goma ngati nenen first ngati nenen एक सेकेंड goma nenen a is equal to ngata patano bq plus r then ina ngata chidok a is equal to 4q plus 1 a is equal to 4q plus 1 or a is equal to 4q plus 1 tangata remainder yung ngata yung ngati gone phala juk chona एक सेकेंड ngata tos remainder value chi chi ong gos ngata 0 1 2 3 ngata tos ngata Euclid's division language tono a is equal to bq plus 4 ngata in alten for goma khurang a is equal to 4q plus r a is equal to 4q plus r taguma r value ngati 0 put chuna chi charuk a is equal to 4q plus 0 which is equal to 4q then 4q ngata chi ding enen 2 common nante 2q which is multiple of 2 malap chino yu ngata even song chis ngata yu ngata even song next ngati then a is equal to 4q plus remainder 1 which is equal to 2 ngata ikanenen 2q plus 1 yung ngata chi ka form nayos ngata yung ngata form nayos odd integer form nayos next r is equal to 2 when r is equal to 2 a is equal to 4q plus 2 tai na iske kane common 2 ne nangan chesino 2 4q plus 1 tai tos you multiple of 2 do bracket ngata common iska common in nangan teno which is multiple of 2 malap chano divisible of 2 or multiple of 2 malap is teola ngati zen even ngati ngala silte te yu ngata chigur jana yu ngata even then last ngata r value 3 ho jane when r is equal to 3 ho jane a is equal to 4q plus 3 2 4q plus 3 yu ngata yang odd kyur मतलब समरी ngata chi songzana pura ngata ina chi form songzana sirf 4q plus 1 4q plus 1 nang e 4q plus 1 4q plus 1 yu ngata 4q plus 1 मतलब yu ngata odd songtano yang ngata 4q plus 3 4q plus 3 yu ngata odd integers positive odd integers is of form 4q plus 1 and 4q plus 3 where q is some integers बाकी 4q plus 0 yatna a is equal to 4q yatna या a is equal to 4q plus 2 yatna त्यो ngata odd positive integers machano sirf ngata ina ngata chi show chooses do positive odd integers is of form 4q plus 1 nang 4q plus 3 is ka ina ngata show chooses do with the help of Euclid's division lemma. Thank you.